hmm You know, one of the most interesting events in United States history began while Pierce was in the White House. The settlement of Utah by the Mormons under the leadership of Brigham Young had started in 1847. Yeah. hmm Many Mormons, however, did not have the money to buy horses and wagons for the 1,200-mile trip, yes, from the Missouri River to Salt Lake City. Brigham Young's plan was that two-wheeled carts pushed by hand, yes, would carry the supplies needed for the long overland trip. And on July 20th, 1856, the first handcart party left Florence, Nebraska for Salt Lake City. Yeah. Now, this Pierce's administration, the Republican Party grew quickly. And then Senator Charles Sumner attacking slavery. The nation was growing rapidly. In later years, this canal would become the busiest in the world. It's Lake Huron, Lake Superior. Yes. Mhm. Now, in 1855, the first kindergarten was opened in Watertown, Wisconsin. Yep. hmm You know, a lot happened back there in 1847, didn't it? Yeah. Now, as a possible presidential candidate, and considering the trillions that we're going to spend, I just wanted to know of the actual cost of electricity in each state of the United States and really each city. Let's say I'm living in Utah, one of these small towns, anywhere near Salt Lake City, and I'm a consumer. Yes, yes, yes. And I'm thinking global warming's a huge problem, and I'm going to install some solar panels and get myself a converter, and I'm going to start helping with the ecological problems of the world. But before I do that, yes, I have to evaluate what is my actual cost of electricity. Now, I think these dams and the various other ways that we manufacture electricity, they use what's known as generators. And I thought I'd build some of them, maybe a few thousand of them, just because I have the availability of so much salt water and I wouldn't want it to go to waste. There's so much salt water available to me. Nothing like steaming up large amounts, possibly 2 trillion gallons of it every year. Boop! Converting that to fresh water, releasing it into the atmosphere without ever having real any. It is not my intention to cool planet Earth. It's a byproduct, the unintended consequences of wanting to make money. Wouldn't that be stupid of me to think that all of that fresh water could in some way affect the actual planet? Now, of the actual cost of electricity. I know we're stupid. Okay. We got generators and coal producing generators and all kinds of ways to make electricity. And we're going to spend trillions of dollars supporting solar panels and windmills and their want to produce direct current electricity that we're going to convert to alternating current. That's right. Now, just let's start today. How much is your electricity costing in each and every city of the United States? When I look at if I was to move in the United States, where is the least expensive place for me to purchase my my alternating current electricity needs for my individual residence? Where's the cheapest place in the United States to